I'm here in Poland, just outside Warsaw, where Advantech launched its first co-creation partner conference to inspire solution integrators to co-create with Advantech's WisePass platform to implement solution-ready packages in vertical domains like manufacturing, transport and smart grids.
Today we signed 5 letters of intent with our partners, showing that they are willing to cooperate with us. They want to invest with future together with Advantech, with co-creation, co-create together Industry 4.0 and Smart City. And it also shows how strong relationships we have with our partners.
Politechnika Łódzka włącza się w program co-creation Advantecha, proponując kilka rozwiązań, kilka technik edukacyjnych, które mogą być wykorzystane do włączenia studentów do współtworzenia przemysłu 4.0 i IoT.
We are delighted to be the first Advantech co-creation partner in Europe and make our solution-ready packages for transportation available to the customers and partners within Advantech network. We are looking forward to extend our co-creation in future and make our solutions available for the customers worldwide.
In the past 2 days, we have inspiring keynote speeches and visionary insights of IoT opportunities in these verticals, as well showing solution-ready packages in real life, in real cases, which are ready to be installed into the IoT field. I'm very happy to conclude that the objective we wanted to meet to inspire solution integrators to co-create with Advantech WisePass platform and our hardware was very successful. And I'm looking forward to a fruitful collaboration and innovation with this leading innovative solution integrators working with Advantech to roll out SRP solution-ready packages all over Europe.